Hello everyone. So I was just doing some bounty hunting then. I got jumped by 3 dudes. When I realized they were teaming, I started recording so you guys can watch me destroy them. Just look at them waiting for me, lol. I'm telling you guys, I destroy these kids and 3 out of 3, almost all of them. I hope you guys enjoy. Like the video guys. Let's get 100 likes on this video. Subscribe too for more bounty hunting video. Anyways guys, enjoy. I just ran around until I had V4, so it's somewhat fair. Now watch. I think bro had enough. When I said I destroyed them, I wasn't kidding. I told you guys I would destroy them, and remember this flame guy is 6.5 mil. LOL. Did bro go AFK? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Join the Discord for future giveaways. Subscribe and like the video, and I will see you all next time.